Okay, it's Thursday afternoon, about 3:30. I'm gonna go close up the gate a little early because there's another bit of a storm. Looks like it's blowing in and it is getting really cold, so let's go out, close the gate. It looks like it's already starting to blow in. Hurry up and get out there. Okay. I took this thing into the house to make sure it's actually keeping track of the right temp. And it did go up to 70 degrees in the house, and it came back down to 40 when I brought it outside. I put it in a slightly cooler spot where the wind's hitting it, and it still is saying it's, I don't know, 44, 45, somewhere in there. 42, 44, yeah, somewhere thereabouts. It sure feels colder than that out here though. The sun just dropped behind those clouds. We got a little bit of sprinkling of snow last night, little bits of rain off and on, so we did get some part of the storm in. Let me zoom this back out. And it looks like maybe some more is coming in. It's moving pretty fast, so maybe there is more of it coming in tonight. I do not know. What I do know is this wind is cold, so I want to do this quick. I don't know where all the critters are. Oh, I think I see some of them bundled up over there. Somebody's over there. Got somebody over there. Looks like the Welsh Harlequins are hanging out under the lettuce bed. Nobody wants to be out in this wind. Come on, ducks. The Pekings spend a lot of time out here. Come on, guys, let's go. Time to go in. Come on, let's go. Come on. Don't give me grief, just go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there's still a few spots of snow on the ground, a little bit over there. Mostly it's melted off. Wind really is cold. Really nice seeing blue sky behind the clouds though, even if it is cold and stormy. At least it's more like what's normal for this time of year. This is January and we should be having these cold winds, ice on the ground. So I'll leave it there. Everybody's trying to figure out how to get warm. I can't believe how well the turkeys did. They were sopping wet this morning. When I looked at them, they were just drenched. But I guess turkeys live outdoors in the wild, so they adapt somehow. Where's the other one? Well, I don't know where the other one is. I thought I saw her a little bit earlier. Maybe I didn't. Let me go look over here. Make sure everybody's here. Well, she's not in there, but I see there's another turkey egg in there. Now I better figure out where she is. Is she under here? No, those are just the Wells Harlequins. There's Blue. There's Peanut. Oh, I know where she is. It's Loon that's missing, and I'll bet you I know where she is. She's been going into my shed, which is my workspace, not really where I want her hanging out, but she's decided she likes that spot for laying her eggs, so let's see if she's gone in here. Yep, sure enough. Is that funny or what? She has rearranged my shelf, but I guess I can live with that. Alright guys, it's Thursday, it's cold, and I'm going back in the house. I'm having a duck and noodle soup for dinner tonight. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye.